let's look at example 5. Here, they're giving us find the measure of AB. Now we're finding, instead of the length in feet, yard, meters, miles, whatever here, they want us to find the degrees. So we're still going to use the same part over whole equals part over whole. This equation right here. It's just different things that we have missing this time. So our part circumference, they gave us 5.75 feet. 5.75. The whole circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is 6 is equal to the part degrees is what we're looking for. The whole degrees is 360. And we cross multiply. Okay, here we have 2 times 6 is 12 pi. So that's 12 pi times x is equal to 360 times 5.75. Okay? Now, to solve for x, we're going to divide by 12 pi. Ooh, I'm running out of room. Divide by 12 pi. Okay? And we're going to put all this in the calculator. We say 360 times 5.75. Enter. Divided by 12 pi. Now, in your calculator, you may need to put this in parentheses like that because it may not give you the correct answer if you don't, because of order of operations. It may want to divide by 12 and then multiply by pi, something crazy, but you may have to put that in the calculator in parentheses like that. You may want to check it out instead of just writing down this answer. When we get done, x is going to equal to 54.94 degrees. Okay, so let's do this next one. Our part circumference right there, part circumference is 22.68. And guys, expect to see this on the EOC. This is on there every year. Whole circumference is 2 pi r. Our r is 10. Part degrees is what we're looking for. And in our whole degrees is always 360. Cross multiply. 2 times 10 is 20. So that's 20 pi times x is equal to 22.68 times 360. Divide both sides by 20 pi so we can get x by itself. And when you plug that into the calculator, your x is 130.01 degrees. And they didn't tell us what to round to, so I just used pretty much what they gave me. Okay, last section. Find the circumference of each circle. So we're still using the same setup. That's the thing that I want you guys to realize. We're still going to use this same part over whole equals part over whole, but it's just different things that's missing. Okay, so in example 6, this time we're looking for the circumference. So the part circumference is the distance from A to B, which is 57.5. The whole circumference is what we're looking for. So I'm just going to say x. See, because it says find the circumference of each circle. The part degrees they gave me is 80. Divide by my whole degrees, which is 360. Cross multiply, and I get 80x is equal to 57.5 times 360. Divide both sides by 80. Okay, and then for x, the answer that you get is 258.75 kilometers. Last one. Now, find the circumference of the, if you notice, each one of these has been minor angles, meaning less than 180. Okay, small angles. Here's a small angle, that's a small angle, small angle, small angle. However, this one, they didn't give me the degrees here on the inside. They gave me the degrees this way. Okay, if you have a highlighter, you may want to highlight that so you can see what it is that you are using to calculate this time. All right, so this time our part circumference is 9.8. Okay, our whole circumference is what we're looking for. Our part degrees is this side as well, 285. Our whole degrees is 360. We're going to cross multiply here. So that's 285x is equal to 9.8 times 360. Okay? Divide both sides because we're solving for x by 285. And your answer is 12.38. Make sure you have those units, miles. Okay? Last thing, we're going to put our notes onto the notebook page, so let's get ready for that.